Welcome to Like Health. 7 amazing benefits of putting olive oil on your hair. Whether you're a man or a woman, this applies to you. Olive oil has been trusted for centuries as a natural remedy for stronger, healthier, and faster-growing hair. It's rich in antioxidants, vitamins E and K, and essential fatty acids that nourish your scalp and hair roots. From reducing breakage to adding shine, olive oil works for all hair types, curly, straight, thick, or fine. If your hair feels dry, brittle, or just isn't growing the way you want, olive oil might be the solution. Many people overlook how powerful this simple ingredient can be in a hair care routine. Whether you're dealing with hair loss or just want better growth and texture, this video is for you. Let's get started with the 7 powerful benefits of putting olive oil on your hair, beginning with number 1. First benefit. Deeply moisturizes hair. Olive oil penetrates the hair shaft, locking in moisture from root to tip. It's especially helpful for dry, frizzy, or heat-damaged hair. By restoring hydration, it makes your hair softer and more manageable. Regular use helps reduce split ends and prevents further dryness. Your hair will feel nourished, smoother, and shinier with each application. Second benefit. Strengthens hair strands. Rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, olive oil strengthens weak, brittle hair. It coats each strand, forming a protective layer against breakage. This reduces hair fall caused by brushing, styling, or environmental stress. Over time, you'll notice thicker, fuller hair with improved texture. Stronger hair means longer-lasting growth and less thinning. Third benefit. Promotes scalp health. A healthy scalp is key to healthy hair, and olive oil supports both. It helps reduce dandruff, dryness, and scalp irritation. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties calm the scalp naturally. A well-nourished scalp improves blood circulation and hair follicle function. This creates the perfect environment for new hair to grow stronger and faster. Fourth benefit. Boosts hair growth. By nourishing the scalp and strengthening follicles, olive oil encourages faster hair growth. It prevents the buildup of sebum and dead skin that can block hair growth. Its nutrients energize hair roots and support active growth cycles. Many users report noticeable growth with consistent use over weeks. If you're looking for natural growth without harsh chemicals, this is it. Fifth benefit. Adds natural shine and smoothness. Olive oil smooths the outer layer of the hair, sealing in moisture and shine. It reduces dullness and gives hair a healthy, polished look. It's an excellent alternative to chemical-laden serums and conditioners. The result is soft, glossy hair that looks and feels better instantly. Even just a few drops can transform rough strands into silky softness. Sixth benefit. Prevents split ends and damage. Olive oil works as a natural sealant, protecting the hair from daily damage. It minimizes the appearance of split ends and prevents new ones from forming. Its emollient properties keep strands flexible and less prone to snapping. Use it before heat styling to reduce the impact of high temperatures. Your hair will stay stronger longer and less prone to breakage. Seventh benefit. Helps control frizz and flyaways. If you struggle with frizz, olive oil can help tame unruly strands. Its moisturizing effect keeps hair smooth, especially in humid weather. It calms flyaways without making your hair greasy when used in moderation. Just a few drops on the ends or hairline can make a big difference. Perfect for maintaining a polished look throughout the day. Now, we will give you the best way to use olive oil on hair, and trust us, your strands are in for a treat. Olive oil is loaded with nutrients that can transform dull, dry hair into silky magic. First, warm up 2 to 3 tablespoons, just until it feels cozy, not hot. Apply it to your scalp and massage gently in circles, like giving your head a hug. Then run your fingers down through your hair to coat every strand. Focus on the ends. Those poor guys always take the most damage. Wrap your hair in a warm towel or cover with a shower cap for 30 to 45 minutes. Use this time to chill, sip tea, or binge your favorite show. It's self-care. Rinse thoroughly with a mild shampoo. No need for conditioner afterward. Repeat once or twice a week for smooth, shiny, frizz-free hair. Want a power combo? Mix olive oil with a spoon of honey for extra hydration. Your hair will shine, bounce, and basically strut like it's on a catwalk. So go ahead, turn that bottle in your kitchen into your hair's best-kept secret. Olive oil is not only for hair. There are many other health benefits that you can watch. From improving heart health to aiding digestion, olive oil works wonders inside the body too. If you're curious about what it can really do, check out our videos on the amazing benefits of olive oil. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new